Welcome to Reypurposed Made. One of the cooler parts of setting my own schedule means that I can create custom art furniture wherever I am. See how I take random pieces of wood and turn them into one-of-a-kind masterpieces. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel to see my latest works. Are you looking for a new bookshelf, but you don't want a regular square-shaped bookshelf? Maybe something more interesting with corner access, triangular shape, and then you think does something like that exist? And then I say, of course there is, and it looks a little something like this. This is the corner bookshelf I'm making for my friend's room, and I wanted to use as little space as possible, give as much storage as possible, so where she could walk in and you can see access this way as well, and there's a lot of other cool features that you can kind of see already. After the triangular Nevada shapes that I made, the first design feature that I definitely want to talk about is the giant grommet hole I made for outlet access. I saw it as a place where Shanequa could have a shelf right there and then possibly charge her phone or just have the general access to the outlets as she usually does. Show me the witch with the lips that can snap back. Crown me with gold, I don't really want to snap back. I like her toes and I know that the cat's black. Brown, pale, tan, I don't care, I'ma tap that. My life, my pyrite, mine right. So gold, goldstone, third eyesight. Amethyst on the wrist, I grind like skateboards when they slide on a half pipe. What's good with the powwow? Puppy pose, bow wow. Praise up the most high, bruja, bow down. Doggy style, hit the yoga, wise up just like Yoda. Full leaf tea, drink, gotta stay away from soda. Baila la bruja, baila la bruja, 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 bruja. My favorite part of this piece is the wood burn. I wanted to make sure that the wood burn stands out without overpowering the piece. That's why I'm playing a lot with the balance of raw wood in the color blue. When you first open the door into this room, I wanted to make sure that you see that raw wood vertical wood burn element of the bookshelf. It's a little bit of a wood burn at the very base of it, but obviously the piece de resistance of this whole project is the actual top of the bookshelf, and it's where I kind of did like a crossword puzzle family tree mashup where the four members of the family's names are etched into the crossword puzzle and a couple of other little wingdings also. And right after I created this, I thought of this really cool idea for like a crossword puzzle family tree, which can also be like a chessboard or a game board if it was an 8x8 grid. And then I look back at this so that I only have a 7x7 grid. So there's definitely a future project with something like that coming up because it's such a cool opportunity to put even more into one potential project. It was Shanequa's choice to go with the color blue for the bookshelf, and I wanted to find a way to have the color stand out but not be one giant blue object. So I thought to play with raw wood and the color blue. So the bottom shelf is the only shelf that's blue, and then the back walls are blue. Have I ever tell you about this bruja? She puts on a good show. If I ever tell you about this bruja, you ought to say I don't know what I know, but baila la bruja. Baila la bruja. The raw wood is either very decorative, as you can see, with wood burn patterns, and then the shelves are just totally plain because they're just shelves and you're going to have stuff on top of it. Except for one shelf. I wanted to make sure I honored Shanequa's brother Elijah and put a Citizens of Heaven wood burn on one of the shelves. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you're enjoying it so far. Stick around, there's a little bit more. But I wanted to make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons below to catch my latest content. I post twice a week, always every Monday and Thursday. And if you wanted to follow me on social media or get your very own Reypurposed piece, you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, and Gmail under Reypurposed. Thank you and keep watching.
My favorite part, honestly, is this little tidbit right here that says "Citizen of Heaven." It's a small little nook, but it means so much and it makes it so memorable. My second part would be the top piece. Can you see the top piece? I don't know if you can see the top piece, but it's where I can put my laptop. That's number one, and it's a crossword with my whole family's name on it. But it's just perfect. This is exactly what I wanted because I have books laying everywhere. And I was like, who can make me a bookshelf? I know, Jose. So therefore, I was able to put everything I needed, plus have a laptop space, plus display an array of things I might want to do in the future. But this right now works, which is tribute to Joshua Johnson, and self-help books and everything else, right? So I can still put other things here. I still have enough space to use my mouse as well, and it's easy go to. And there's a piece right here where I can put my plugs. You didn't think about that, did you? That's why it's custom made, and that's why it's perfect. The color, the nuances, and everything. It's memorable and made for me.
I think we should light some sage. Oh, so still don't show no age. Put that ass on top of me. That shit's real like lotteries. It's my future, she wanna read. I want her head like Socrates. Yeah, we out Christmas shopping if she ain't gone out yet. I'm trying to go inside like a three-pronged outlet. Let me just see you come right out that outfit. Desnuda. Baila la bruja, 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 yeah. Baila la bruja. Baila la bruja, 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 bruja. Baila la bruja. Baila la bruja, 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 bruja. Tú eres demagogo.